welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're looking for some really nice premium designer fabrics, we've got the perfect set of collection for you here. So let me show you. This beautiful tissue silk that you see over here would be perfect to recreate a nice kids wear outfit. The perfect part about it is the pista green shade that you see. It's very beautiful. All over this, there's a gorgeous floral work done in a nice embroidery work. It's all silver zari work and sequin work, which is also in a silver shade. So the green shade and the silver shade together gives a really beautiful contrast, which makes it perfect to create any kind of kids wear outfits, or if you want to create a nice dress for yourself too, this kind of fabric would look amazing, and all of these fabrics would look perfect for any of these outfits. A very nice pink shade of tissue silk fabric. It's got a nice dual tone to it, giving it a rich color of orange and pink, both of which gives a really beautiful contrast to create a nice kurti, suit set and A-line kurti too, and it would look just amazing. Perfect part about it is all of the zari work that you see. It's in a nice floral pattern and it's got this beautiful silver sequin work too. All of it comes together very nicely and it gives a really beautiful touch. If you guys want to know more about the amount of fabrics we'll be using in these outfits that we create, you can comment below to know more about it. Now this one is in a nice purple shade. This too is a beautiful tissue silk fabric. Again, it's got this really nice golden touch to it because of the tissue silk. It's quite lightweight and textured, but it still gives a very rich look due to the beautiful threadwork embroidery you see. This too is in a nice muted color, so it gives a really gorgeous effect to the fabric, and you can also see the light sequin work done. So entirely this fabric would be perfect to customize a menswear kurta or a vest sherwani. Even for women's wear, you can create beautiful lehengas with this kind of tissue embroidery fabric. Now this very nice shade of cream color raw silk fabric, this too looks really beautiful. It's a new and exclusive collection at Fabric Store. As you can take a look at the thread work that has been done, it's beautifully done in nice vibrant shades of rani pink color, light pink and beautiful green color that has been stitched across it, giving it a very gorgeous touch. Now you can create nice menswear outfits, women's wear outfits with this kind of fabric, and there are many more raw silk embroideries like this, giving a very grand and rich look. Now here we have this really nice olive green pleated fabric. This also looks very perfect and different from the other fabrics that I've shown you. We've got a nice shade color connection of these pleated fabrics, one of which is this beautiful olive green pleated fabric. We've got really nice sequin work done on this in nice light sequin in smaller sizes of sequin work, and this too would be perfect to create any reception wear outfits. Any inspo you need for Sangeet or any parties would look just perfect in this pleated fabric. A really gorgeous georgette fabric in front of you, perfect to recreate into nice menswear kurtas and sherwanis. You can create a really nice kurta with this fabric, be it for menswear or women's wear. Ideally for menswear, this kind of fabric would be perfect to create any kind of outfits for any grand occasions, be it a wedding, Sangeet, reception or any kind of other things. So as you take a look at the sequin work over here, it's done in nice mermaid kind of shape, making it look very different and unique. You can also take a look at all of the sequin work, all of it that you see on this fabric. Everything is stitched through sequins, and you can also take a look at the minimal thread work that has been done across this fabric, making it look very unique and different from the other fabrics. A nice purple shade of georgette fabric. This too would look perfect to create any kind of gowns, kids wear outfits, especially for kids wear or preteens. These kind of colors would look really nice and gorgeous. It would give a very bright effect. Now this purple color that you see is a little bit more brighter, which makes it look really different and unique. It's got nice kadhana work done on it and nice sequin work, which is in the similar shade of the georgette fabric. Being georgette, it gives a lightweight effect, yet it gives a really grand effect due to the embroidery work that you see on it in nice large and small sequins and beautiful kadhana work. Now this georgette fabric over here is again in a really nice rich shade of white color, and it's got again all of this in sequin work. It's got this diamond like grid like pattern across this fabric, making it look very different and unique from others. It also gives this really nice glimmer to the fabric, which is perfect to create any party wear outfits. And the best part about it is all of the sequin work that is there. Even though it's a georgette fabric with a lightweight effect, it gives a grander look due to the sequin, making it perfect for any cocktail party outfits, reception wear or for Sangeet as well. A very nice mint green shade of georgette fabric, making it look even more perfect for recreating into nice kids wear outfits. You can create a beautiful frock with this, you can create a nice dress with it, and it would look just perfect and make you stand out. The best part about it is all of the sequin and kadhana work that you see on it. The lightweight effect gives it a really gorgeous kind of effect to the fabric, and the sequin and the kadhana work makes it look really special and different. So you can create beautiful outfits with this, and if you want to know more about it, you can comment below for our customization details. details. Now this really nice pastel blue shade of Georgette fabric too makes it look really gorgeous. You can create nice dresses with this, a lehenga, a sari, anything with this Georgette would look really different and unique on you. The best part about it is all of the sequin work and the kaddana work that you see, which is again in the same similar shade. This is perfect to recreate any kids wear outfits or any lehengas you have in mind for any pastel themed wedding. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment for more details and subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhania. If you want to know more about our collection, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.